Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to show you some final system of calls. Right now you've got a system sensor bell right there. Well, it looks like to be a, I don't know, I can't really read the model, but yeah, alright, there's a bell and a beacon right there. Alright, let's go inside the store. We got an AMPAC smoke detector. There's one of these as well. Detector. I see another one right there. Another AMPAC HP95 optical smoke detector right there. There's also one right there as well. I wonder what you can find. 5-panel. Well, I found the 5-panel. That's in the way. Well, that's gonna be a problem. I don't really think that it's a good idea to put a 5-panel in front of it. Oh, right here. They have a 12 photoelectric smoke alarm. The model, you can see this Keta logo. There's a model number, Model Q501. I'll put that back because I already have one in my collection. Yeah. Well, you can see the Duracell batteries and made out of stuff. There's another smoke detector up here. Optical. HP95 AMPAC. I wonder if I can find call points around. It looks like I've had a few emergency lights as well up there. I don't think that would give it much light down here because there's a pretty high ceiling. Oh, and there's an extra sign right there. Let's have a look around here. Actually, no, that's the entrance. It's the other way. Another extra sign up there. That's nice. We got a AED right there. Pretty good for like saving people's lives. Let's have a look down. Let's have a look down below ground floor. Okay, well, it looks like a sprinkler there, and here's a smoke detector. HP95 AMPAC Apollo. I'm assuming it'll be around here. I'm assuming it's for where there's a fire hit. It actually like make sure it actually disables the elevator. Oh, by the way, let's get to there's the fire thingy. You can see fire mode. You can see that, and here's a light. I believe that might be a smoke, like the emergency light. Oh, there's actually a loop device that says loop device 39 output. Yeah, you can see that. And here's a fire extinguisher. There it is, right there. It's AMPAC loop 1 device 39 output 1 GFA, output 2 start, output 3 is stop, and input 1 run. That's quite nice. Oh, there's another sprinkler. Let's see. This is basement. There's the optical smoke detector again. Oh, there's also a sprinkler right there for when there's a fire around this window. It cools down the glass when the sprinkler when it activates. When the sprinkler activates, it cools down the glass when there's a fire. I wonder if I can find any. I think I might have found something. I believe that might be a fire beacon. Let me just hold a look up here. I don't know. There might be a fire beacon. I think have a look. There might be a fire beacon. I'm not sure exactly. It says alarm on there, but I'm not exactly sure. Here's another X sign right there. I believe that might be a leg grand or something. Here's a fire hose wheel, and there's an elevator right there. Alright, heading to the front. We do have sprinklers in the front as well. Yeah. So all this system has like an AMPAC system, as you can see. And as we go back, there's a system that's a bell, and right next to it's an AMPAC beacon. You can see right there. Yeah, that's all the system in Cold so far. Thank you for watching. Also, there's another sprinkler up there as well, which is pretty cool. I think that's pretty cool. Oh, there's some nice snacks around here as well. Heading to the back. I'll just film it. I'm heading to the sprinkler right there. Apparently there's no smoke detectors I've seen so far. It's quite interesting. Or heat detectors at least. Don't know. Oh, by the way, there's a sprinkler above the fridge, which is a pretty good idea. So the fridge can catch on fire. There's another extra sign up there. I wonder if I can find any redback like speakers. I believe these ones, actually no, these speakers up there send a signal to the fire. And I think I found a duct detector as well. A duct detector as well, up there as well. Pretty nice. Oh, another smoke detector. Yeah, there's like two duct detectors, one there and one there. That's pretty cool as well. Nice to add it. Oh, that ain't no duct detector. Okay, I found the actual duct detector up here. As you can see, a AMPAC duct detector. Duct detector. Okay. That is an AMPAC duct detector. As you can see, right there. Is there one on the other side though? Nope, there's not. This question gives me a question. There's nothing up through here. I wonder if I can find any more duct detectors. Yeah, I can't say it. Duct detectors, duct detectors. Sorry, I can't say it properly. Normally, there might be more people in here. No, I don't think it's just a vent. I don't see anything through here. Let's head through down here. Or down south. There will be something around here. I wonder if I can find and I don't detector. I can't say it. I wonder if I can find a duct detector. They could be around here somewhere. Oh, yeah, there's smoke bombs again. I don't see anything so far. Yeah, that's the only one I saw so far up here. I wonder if there's actually one. Actually, I had to get through the other way. God damn. Alright. Alright, I guess I have to go through here. And that's weird. You got a emergency light turning orange and green, which is a strange reason. I don't know why. Let me comment down below if you know what that means. And there's also a sprinkler as well. So that's all. Okay, going through the liquor store, there's actually an AMPAC smoke detector up there. I can see, as you can see, and there's an exit sign you see up there. I'm surprised there's only one around. It makes me curious. There's one back here. There's one back here. Nope, there's nothing. Alright. Well, I'm surprised. There's only one I saw. Alright. And the fire panel's right there. I reckon that the door should be like, I reckon that should be around here. Or right there. Actually no, right here. Because that's blocking the label of fire indicator panel. Anyway. And well, and I found something pretty interesting. That light is actually flashing. Oh, wait, is it? It's weird. It's weird. Can I pick it up? There we go. It's not picking up on camera too well. You can see. There we go. Yeah, I can see on the camera. Pretty much see on camera. Not very well. Anyway, that's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. And have a good day. Bye.